Welcome to this instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 4s minus 7, 9. We will not only find the solution to this inequality, but we will also represent it in both inequality notation and interval notation forms. So let's get started. In step 1, we need to isolate the variable s in the inequality. 4s minus 7 is less than or equal to 9. Our goal is to get s by itself on one side of the inequality. To do this, we first need to eliminate the minus 7 that is being subtracted from 4s. We can achieve this by adding 7 to both sides of the inequality. When we add 7 to the left side, the minus 7 and plus 7 cancel each other out, altering the expression to just 4s. On the right side, we also add 7 to the existing 9, which gives us 16. Now the inequality is altered from 4s minus 7 is less than or equal to 9 to 4s is less than or equal to 16. The inequality now reads 4s is less than or equal to 16. This step simplifies the problem and makes it easier to isolate s in the next step. In interval notation, we haven't yet finished solving for s, so we cannot express the final solution in this form yet. In step 2, our objective is to continue isolating the variable s in the inequality. 4s is less than or equal to 16. To achieve this, we need to get s by itself. Since s is currently being multiplied by 4, we can isolate s by dividing both sides of the inequality by 4. When we divide the left side, 4s divided by 4 simplifies to s. This is because any number divided by itself equals 1, so multiplying s by 1 leaves us with just s. On the right side, we have 16 divided by 4, which equals 4. Now, the inequality is transformed from 4s is less than or equal to 16 to s is less than or equal to 4. This means that s can be any value less than or equal to 4. In inequality notation, our solution is s is less than or equal to 4. In interval notation, we express this solution as the interval from negative infinity to 4, including 4. Therefore, we write the interval notation as negative infinity to 4 with 4 included. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.